This remarkable machine protects the world's most fragile lives from the very first moments of life. Every surface, every sensor, every component has one purpose: to protect newborn life. Hidden inside are thousands of precision-engineered parts working together every second. But producing one requires some of the most advanced engineering you'll ever see. From raw industrial materials to one of the most important medical devices ever created. Let's step inside Germany's extraordinary infant incubator production facility. Protecting the world's most fragile lives starts long before an infant enters the incubator. Only premium medical-grade stainless steel is selected for the incubator's structural frame. Lightweight aluminum provides strength while keeping the incubator easy to move. This crystal-clear medical polycarbonate will become the protective canopy surrounding every newborn. Medical-grade silicone will create the airtight seals that help maintain a stable environment for vulnerable newborns. Thousands of precision electronic components will work together to continuously monitor and protect every newborn. Copper forms the electrical pathways that power every critical system inside the incubator. Every single material must satisfy strict German medical standards before production can begin.
Each material is automatically delivered to the department where its transformation begins.
Now the transformation begins, as thousands of individual materials become one life-saving medical machine.
Powerful fiber lasers transform flat stainless steel into precision structural components. Lightweight aluminum components are cut with exceptional German precision. Every precision-cut component is automatically identified and organized. Precision bending gives every structural component its final shape. Advanced CNC machining creates the precision mechanical parts that ensure reliable operation. Every mounting point is drilled and threaded with micron-level precision. Every edge is carefully finished to ensure safety, precision, and reliability. Robotic welding permanently joins the incubator's stainless steel framework. Every welded frame is verified to meet exact medical engineering specifications. Every trace of contamination is removed before the protective finish is applied. The surface is carefully prepared to ensure maximum coating durability. A medical-grade protective coating is applied with exceptional precision. Controlled heat transforms the powder coating into a durable medical finish. The protective finish is gradually cooled to preserve its flawless surface. Advanced inspection systems verify every millimeter of the protective finish. The transparent canopy begins by carefully heating medical-grade polycarbonate. Powerful vacuum forming creates the incubator's iconic transparent canopy. Carefully controlled cooling preserves the canopy's crystal-clear optical quality. Robotic handling protects the delicate canopy from even the smallest imperfections. Precision CNC trimming gives the canopy its exact final dimensions. Every edge is polished to achieve a perfectly smooth medical-grade finish. Precision machining creates every opening required for safe neonatal care. Every canopy is inspected to ensure perfect optical clarity and structural integrity. A temporary protective film preserves the canopy's flawless surface throughout production.
The completed canopies are now ready for final assembly.
Each access port is assembled with exceptional precision to ensure a perfect airtight seal. Precision support frames secure every access port within the canopy. Each access port is assembled with exceptional precision to ensure a perfect airtight seal.
Essential mechanical hardware is installed before the canopy joins the incubator.
The completed canopy assemblies are now ready to become part of the infant incubator. The infant support platform is machined from lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum. The support platform is reinforced for stability, safety, and long-term reliability. The precision tilt mechanism allows caregivers to safely adjust the infant's position. The mattress tray is formed from medical-grade polymer for strength and easy sterilization. Precision machining gives the mattress tray its exact medical specifications. The mattress support system is assembled for smooth, stable operation. Every movement is tested to ensure absolute safety and reliability for newborn care. The medical mattress is precision cut to provide gentle support for newborns. The waterproof cover protects the mattress while allowing easy hospital sterilization. The finished medical mattress is assembled under clean room conditions. The completed infant bed is installed at the heart of the incubator. The completed infant bed modules are now ready for final assembly. The climate control housing forms the heart of the incubator's air circulation system. A precision-balanced circulation fan delivers gentle, continuous airflow. The heating module is assembled to provide stable, carefully controlled warmth. The heat exchanger distributes warmth evenly throughout the incubator. Medical-grade HEPA filters remove airborne contaminants before air reaches the newborn. Engineered air ducts ensure gentle, uniform circulation throughout the incubator. All climate control components come together to create the incubator's environmental control system. Every climate control system is tested before entering final assembly. Precision temperature sensors continuously monitor the infant's environment. Humidity sensors help maintain the ideal environment for newborn care. Airflow sensors ensure gentle and perfectly balanced air circulation. Medical oxygen sensors continuously monitor the air supplied to vulnerable newborns. The sensor wiring harness connects every monitoring system with complete reliability. The completed environmental control systems are now ready for final assembly. The incubator's electronic control system begins with precision circuit board production. Controlled reflow soldering permanently bonds every electronic component. Every circuit board is inspected for microscopic electronic defects. The main control board is assembled with all essential electronic systems. Every electronic control board is fully tested before installation. The medical power supply delivers clean, stable electricity to every critical system. Every power supply is tested to meet strict medical safety standards. The integrated alarm system provides immediate warning whenever attention is required. With testing complete, the electronic systems are ready for final assembly. The touchscreen display provides caregivers with precise control of every incubator function. The incubator's control console brings every electronic system together. The operating software is securely installed and verified. Every control function is tested before the console joins the incubator. The completed control consoles are now ready for final assembly. After weeks of precision production, the incubator finally reaches final assembly. The environmental control system is installed into the incubator's main structure. The electronic systems are integrated to control every incubator function. The infant bed module is carefully positioned at the center of the incubator. The transparent canopy is installed to create a protected environment for newborn care. The intelligent control console is connected to the incubator's electronic systems. Every environmental sensor is installed to continuously monitor the newborn's surroundings. The medical HEPA filter is installed to deliver exceptionally clean air. Medical silicone seals create a protected and carefully controlled environment. The exterior housing protects the incubator's advanced internal systems. Every electrical system is connected before comprehensive testing begins. For the first time, every system comes to life. The temperature control system is calibrated to medical laboratory standards. Humidity control is carefully calibrated to create the ideal neonatal environment. The oxygen monitoring system is calibrated for exceptional medical accuracy. The airflow system is calibrated to provide gentle, uniform circulation. Every emergency alarm is tested to ensure immediate response during critical situations. Comprehensive electrical safety testing protects both newborns and caregivers. Every incubator must demonstrate continuous, reliable performance before approval. The completed incubator undergoes one final comprehensive quality inspection.
The finished incubator receives a final cleaning before its last inspection.
The protective coverings are removed to reveal the incubator's flawless finish. After hundreds of precision production steps, the infant incubator is finally complete.
Essential accessories are assembled to support neonatal care.
The final accessories complete the incubator's clinical functionality. Precision mobility systems allow the incubator to move safely throughout the hospital. Every mechanical function is verified before the incubator is approved for delivery. The completed incubator successfully passes its final performance certification. Custom protective packaging safeguards the incubator during international transport. Every incubator is secured inside a reinforced export crate for safe global delivery.
From Germany, these life-saving infant incubators begin their journey to hospitals around the world.
Every shipment is carefully coordinated before leaving the production facility. Each incubator is carefully prepared for safe international transportation. Every completed incubator leaves the factory ready to support hospitals across the world. Built with German precision, this infant incubator is ready to protect the world's newest lives.